Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the blue Morpho in Heartopia. So go to Spirit Oak Pine Forest and you'll see them roaming around as you can see. You can find them when it's sunny or when there's like a rainbow. This is actually my first blue Morpho. And again, you can find it around the Spirit Oak Pine Forest. I think it's from 6 a.m. to like 3 a.m. or something like that. I think 6 p.m. actually. 6 p.m. till 6 a.m. And here's where you can basically find it. You'll just find them flying around this area. But yeah, that is where you can find the blue Morpho in Heartopia. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!